Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 39 Kingsdown Park. Now this is a substantial semi-detached family home in a very sought after central location. We've got 5 to 6 double bedrooms with this one, 2 en-suites, 2 reception rooms, a luxurious 17 foot by 14 foot kitchen with the bifolding doors, and we've got again a very versatile layout of accommodation here, so plenty to look at today. We've also got, of course, that lovely big driveway to the front with the garage there as well, and so conveniently located for amenities and access to the seafront. So we've had a good look through the hallway, had a glance at the cloakroom as well, and we've come through to the back where we've got the kitchen here. We've got the bifolding doors here as well, all of that light coming through from the Velux windows at the back. An arrangement of integrated appliances here, as well as space for further white goods. Heading down and just taking a left-hand turn, we come through into the first of the reception rooms. Fantastic open lounge here, really nice amount of space to work with. Lovely exposed beams there on the ceiling, just to add a little bit of character to the room, and to have those 2 wonderful big windows to the front goes a long way into creating that wonderful aspect of space and light. You've got, of course, the fireplace here on the right hand side, just forming a focal point, a characterful point there to the room as well. Heading down and just on the right hand side now, we're going to head through into another reception space here, really conveniently located for access into the back garden, easily used either as a second reception or perhaps as a study space. Just a real bonus to have this really nice room here just overlooking the back garden. Now the garden itself, you can see, is a really easy, low maintenance space to enjoy throughout the year. A really nice arrangement of spaces, giving you the patio space there, and then as you lead yourself up onto the upper level, you've got really nice open spaces for the table, and of course for further garden furniture here, with the addition of the cabin there just on the right hand side. So we're going to head back indoors in just a moment to take a look at what we've got up on the first floor, and we'll head in there now. So here we are up on the first floor at number 39 Kingsdown Park. I'm just heading onto the left hand side now to take a look at the family shower room. We've got the loo sink and shower unit there in the corner. Really nice and convenient, perfect for servicing the bedrooms up here on the first floor. Coming through into the first of the 5 to 6 double bedrooms that we've got here. Fantastic sized room, already a little bit of storage space there, with of course a lovely view from the window, just letting all of that natural light flood through into the room. Heading through to the front, again equally fantastic sized room, plenty of light coming through from the front, just overlooking that front driveway space there. Plenty of room in here, again not only for the double bed but for plenty of storage as well. Heading along the corridor here, we've got another fantastic double bedroom, this time with the view out to the front again. Plenty of space in here for the double bed and for plenty of storage as well. So heading back out in just a few moments, we've got another couple of bedrooms to take a look at. One, of course, does have the ensuite here on the first floor, and then up to the top floor where we're going to find another ensuite bedroom. So fantastic amount of space to work with there, and it's nice to have your own independent spaces depending on how you'd like to lay the property out. But coming through again into another wonderful double bedroom, this time again view out to the front, letting that nice amount of natural light through there from the window. You can see here plenty of space for the double bed and for plenty of storage. And then to continue our tour of the first floor and conclude the viewings of the bedrooms here, again a really fantastic sized double bedroom. This time we've got the ensuite just tucked away there in the corner. Nice addition there to the room. Plenty of space in here for the double bed and for plenty of storage as well. So we're going to head through into that ensuite, take a look of what we've got there, and then we're going to head upstairs into the top floor bedroom with the ensuite, and whilst we're there we're just going to recap a few points on the property before ending today's video tour. So here we are heading up into the top floor at number 39 Kingsdown Park, and you've got this really nice convenient open space before heading through into the bedroom here. Fantastic double-sized room, yet again with that Velux window just at the side, and then continuing the theme through into the ensuite bathroom. So I really hope you've enjoyed taking a look at number 39 Kingsdown Park with us today. I'm sure you have plenty of questions for us. We're just going to recap a few of the main points on this one. This is of course a substantial semi-detached family home, and location really is key with this one. Fantastic location here, convenient access through to the seafront and of course the local amenities. We've got the garage, plenty of off-road parking as well, really versatile amounts of accommodation throughout, 2 reception rooms and 5 to 6 double bedrooms, and that fantastic kitchen with the bifolding doors. Again, I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.